Good morning.
Good morning.
Did you sleep well?
Very well.
I was thinking about you. I missed you today.
I was busy.
Can we spend time together?
Maybe tomorrow.
Okay.
This is too much.
You deserve it.
Why are you so kind?
Because you matter.
Thank you, Brian. I checked something. Checked what? About Brian. Why? Because I care.
This is becoming serious. I know. She believes you. I never wanted this, but you started it.
I feel safe with you.
That means a lot.
You understand me.
I want the best for you.
I believe you. I have something to tell you.
What is it?
I trust you completely.
Vanessa.
I want a future with you. I want a future with you.
I've gone too far. Then stop now. I can't. Why not? I love her. I have a surprise.
For me?
Dinner tonight.
I'll be there.
I'll be waiting. Where are you?
I'm still working.
Should I wait?
Please don't.
All right.
This feels special.
You are special.
You always know what to say.
I mean every word.
I believe you. That's Vanessa. Who's that man? This isn't right. I need answers.
I'll always protect you.
Do you promise?
I promise.
I trust you.
You always can. Good night.
See you soon.
Vanessa? Who is that man? You came home late.
I told you I was busy.
I hope you're telling the truth.
You don't trust me?
I want to.
That can't be. He lives here? Something is very wrong. I need proof. Where are we going?
My country home.
I can't wait.
You'll love it. You'll love it.
I'm excited. This place is beautiful.
Welcome.
Your family owns this?
Yes.
Incredible.
Vanessa has changed.
I noticed too.
I don't know why.
I think I do.
Tell me.
I miss you.
I miss you too.
When will I meet your family?
Soon. Very soon.
I've seen enough. Brian is lying. But how do I tell Vanessa? She may never believe me. This is the truth. But will Vanessa listen? I have to try.
I have big news.
What is it?
I want us together.
Really?
I've never been more serious.
I found something. About Brian? Please watch this. I don't need proof. You really should. I trust Brian. He is hiding something. You are wrong. I hope I am. Goodbye.
So this is Brian.
Yes,
He isn't who he claims.
we must help Vanessa.
We will. I want you beside me.
I already am.
Forever?
Forever.
You won't regret it. What are you doing?
I need time.
Is this because of Brian?
Yes.
Please don't go. Please don't leave.
I have made my choice.
You don't know the truth.
I know what I feel.
One day, you'll understand.
Please watch this. I don't want to. Just look. Vanessa. I trust Brian. Then watch. I'm sorry.
Vanessa, wait!
My heart has chosen. You're making a mistake. Maybe, but it's my choice.
You're really here.
I chose you.
You won't regret it.
I trust you.
Then let's begin.
You're resigning? Yes. Are you sure? Completely. Why? I left everything for this.
You will never regret it.
I believe you.
Welcome to your new life.
Our new life.
I don't know.
At this hour?
Stay here.
Brian, what's wrong?